the Uganda Bureau of Statistics has clarified on a typing error about the payment of the enumerators. In the error, it was indicated that these payments were subjected to some duties, meaning it was going to be taxed. A post from Uganda Deserves Better reads that UBOS Statistics UG offered shillings 500,000, that is equal to $13 as salary to be paid for 10 days to all agents who will go to the field to carry out population census, count transport, data, and time you put into apply, do interviews, etc. This is shocking. Now, they attached the last part of agreement written, Dear Sir Stroke Madam, short-term appointment as census enumerator in the National Population and Housing Census 2024. This is an agreement, but this is the part where the concern comes from. The appointment is subject to the following terms. Number one, it will be effective from 2, that's no problem. Then the second one is you will be paid enumeration facilitation of shillings, 50,000 Uganda shillings only for 10 days. Then the third one, where the problem is, your duties will be as per the attached schedule. So the duty is the tax. So the fourth one is no terminal benefits are attached to this temporary appointment. Now, Uganda Bureau of Statistics has responded to this, saying that was a typo alias. So they wrote it alias. Enumerators are paid 50,000 Uganda shillings per day for 10 days, totaling to 500,000 Uganda shillings for 10 days, which is not taxable because it is an allowance. So enumerators are not going to be taxed as it was misconceived before. Now, on the other hand, we need to remember that UBOS are going to also count the people who are abroad by asking the relatives, and secondly, they say they have a digital method which they will access it through the ambassadors, respective ambassadors of Uganda and abroad. Then also they said something about the polygamy family. Men who are having more than one family will be counted where they sleep, where the census will get them. That's where they will be counted. On another side also of the story, still on the census, you realize Uganda Bureaus of Statistics has said, at last, we have reached the point where census night commences. Don't forget that all queries during the Uganda Census 2024 enumeration stage will be related to this exact point in time. This is the census night. So they have put census 2024, 0 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, May the 10th, 2024. I think it's a reminder that we have finally arrived. Still on the census, via Daily Monitor, census at 2 a.m. at Nakawa. The enumerators are feared entering the UAP Laser Park Gardens, where mentally challenged people who are categorized as floating populations sleep. They fail to enter the market due to lack of security. At Ntinda Trading Center, Karamojong Street. So they were able only to count some borders and some guys who are trying to, pass the night at 2 a.m. It is easy. It's not easy. Some kids were around the corner. That is so far from the census, in case we get anything, you shall surely be able to get it as soon as possible if you're subscribed. Thank you very much for staying subscribed. Nice time.